So you're gonna have to go to, we have to click on product here. So let's click on product. And then here we have a product. Now click on the product here and just scroll a little bit down here and we're gonna see here search engine listing. Now I do recommend to edit this and then just make sure you have keywords in the description, in the title. And now I've used first to create this description. I can use this AI, but make sure you check the description so it includes the keywords that are like people are searching for. So make sure you're doing that and then just click on save here. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.